In this video, I will guide you how to get a redeem code for Testflight and how to use it to join a beta test on your iOS device. Some app developers provide Testflight redeem codes via their official website, social media platforms, developer forums, or newsletters. Check these sources regularly for announcements or promotions related to the beta testing. If the developer or publisher is offering beta access, they may outline a specific process to follow. This might include signing up or completing a form before receiving your redeem code. Download and install Testflight from the App Store if you haven't already. Open the app on your iOS device. Tap on Redeem tab within the app. Enter your Testflight redeem code in the provided field. Tap Redeem or Submit to join the beta. And that's how you can get and redeem a test flight code to start the beta testing iOS apps. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.